Welcome to Wisdom in Action. I'm Bill Ross. An engineering company in Houston saw its benefit costs go through the roof, so they turned to today's guest for help, and he saved them $200,000. Mike Alexander is Vice President of Sales with ABM Insurance. Mike, good to have you with us.
Great to be here. Thanks.
How did you save that company $200,000?
Well, what we did is we did a needs analysis, identified where their claims were going on the group, and we instituted what's called a health reimbursement account, whereas it makes the employee more responsible for their medical care. It puts the ball in their game, basically, you know. And by implementing the HRA and putting in a high deductible medical plan, we ended up saving them over $200,000 in a year.
That company must love you.
You bet, you bet. We like them too.
Tell us about ABM Insurance.
Well, ABM Insurance started in 1987. My son came to work for me in 1995, and we're a full-line insurance agency. We do everything from employee benefits to property casualty to commercial insurance and various types of liability insurance.
When someone talks to you for the first time, how do you go about analyzing their needs?
Well, we do what's called a risk assessment. We try to find out what they're trying to achieve and try to protect their risk, that they have their exposure at the lowest possible cost with the highest possible benefit.
What separates ABM from the competition?
It's our value-added services. You know, as we often tell our customers, we don't work for the insurance company, we work for you. And we get involved in claims, problems they may have, employee additions, deletions, consult the employer on various employee issues. We try to be a full-line operation or full service arm for them.
So you have clients who, I assume, you meet their individual needs and their business needs at the same time?
Both, actually.
What's your background?
My background is I'm originally, and it was in the retail food business. I worked for a company called Randall Supermarkets for about 16 years. Then I decided to get in the insurance business. I worked for a couple of years for an agency called Lockhart Financial, and after 2 years I started my own agency in 1989.
What's the key to being a successful insurance agency?
Hard work, and you've got to like people. You have to like to meet people and work with people. You
and your son started this company together, working it together. What advice would you have for anyone who's starting a business? Well, be prepared for a rough 4 or 5 years, because it'll take you about 5 years to get over the hump. You need to have a little reserve. You got to have a little money in the bank to get you through those lean times, because there are some definitely lean times. Was there ever a time you thought you weren't going to make it? Oh, sure. The first 2 years. I mean, my wife thought I was crazy. I went from making well over $100,000 a year to my first year, I think I made $16,000. So she didn't like that at all. My wife thought I was crazy, yeah. But then, you know, things turn around. You just got to keep plugging at it, plugging away, hard work, seeing people and seeing more people. How do you get clients? Basically referral. I mean, we did a lot of advertising. We did a lot of direct mail, some radio advertising, and now most of our business really comes from referrals. What's your mission? What do you hope to accomplish with ABM? Well, we hope to be the consumer's choice for benefits, for all types of insurance, and help hopefully navigate them through our new government health insurance program that's fixing to come about. There's a lot of confusion, and we hope to be the people that navigate them through it. If you can do that, you'll be thanked by a lot of people. What's the future for the company? The growth is very good. We've been clipping along at about 25%. Oh, wow. Growth rate each year. This year looks really good also. We started out with a good first quarter. So our growth is to probably double in size every 5 years. Why do you think you've been able to do that, grow so rapidly? Hard work and good customers. You know, our customers stay with us. What's the best way? We rarely lose one. What's the best way for someone to contact you? One is our website, www.abminsuranceservices.com, or our phone number, 281-448-3040. Mike, thank you. Thank you. ABM's website says the company is committed to a high standard of excellence in everything that we do and strive to establish a firm relationship of mutual trust and service with each of our clients. If that's what you want from your insurance agent, then contact Mike Alexander of ABM Insurance.